Exterior decking information. Exterior decking refers to the outdoor flooring or platform that is constructed on the exterior of a building, usually attached to the back or side of a house. It is typically made of wood, but can also be constructed using composite materials, such as plastic, and even metal. Decking is popular for a variety of reasons, including its ability to create an outdoor living space for relaxing, entertaining, and enjoying the natural surroundings. It also adds value to a property and can enhance the overall look and feel of a home. Here are some important things to consider when selecting exterior decking. Materials. As mentioned, decking can be made from a variety of materials, each with their own advantages and disadvantages. Wood decking, for example, offers a natural and traditional look, but requires regular maintenance to prevent rot, decay, and insect infestation. Composite decking, on the other hand, requires less maintenance but can be more expensive upfront. Size and layout. Consider the size and layout of your outdoor space when selecting the size and shape of your decking. You'll want to ensure that it complements the style of your home and offers enough space for seating, cooking, and other outdoor activities. Safety. Safety is a critical consideration for any outdoor space. Be sure to select a decking material that offers good traction to prevent slips and falls, and consider adding safety features like handrails, lighting, and non-slip coatings. Building codes. Check with your local building codes and regulations to ensure that your decking meets all safety and construction requirements. Installation. Finally, consider the installation process for your decking. Some materials, like composite decking, are easier to install than others, which may require professional installation. Overall, exterior decking is a great way to enhance your outdoor living space and add value to your home. Just be sure to carefully consider the materials, size, and layout, safety, building codes, and installation process to ensure that you select the best decking for your needs.